Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a avatar on Facebook. So you go to profile and then you go to edit profile and then you press edit and then you go press create avatar and then you press next. So after you press next, you start creating. So you select your skin tone, just scroll down to see different skin tone. So for example, I want I want this one for my skin tone, and then I press next. Now next to hairstyle. So again, scroll down, and then so this is for short hair, and then there's medium and there's long. So I'm going to long, and then I'm gonna pick. So I think I like I like the braided hair. Now I go to color. So I'm trying brown. So I like black. Now next face shape, and then I can just scroll down and then pick my face shape. And then again, once I'm done, I go next. So next is complexion. So whether I want freckles or so. If I don't want to choose anything, I can just press the first tile and then I go to lines. So facial lines, just pick which one suits you best. So I like this one, and then I go to eyes. So I pick my eye shape. I can just again scroll down and then pick your eye shape. My eyes are big, so I'm gonna pick the biggest eye, and then I press next to color. So my eye color is brown, and then I go to makeup. You see different makeup, so eyeliner or mascara. So just choose anything you want, and then if I want to go back, just press the options there. In here the eye shape is with eyeliner, so you can choose which one is more like your eye. And then I go to eyebrows. So these are different features of the face, so just choose which one is more like yourself. You can even try everything on, just press on it and then see if it looks like you or not with the other features that you have chosen. And then next, the color of your eyebrows. So I'm gonna choose the same color as my hair. And then I go to eyewear. I don't wear any glasses, so next, nose. So I pick my nose, and then again, once you're done, you go to the next feature, mouth. So I'm picking this one, and then I pick the color of my lips. So this goes under makeup again. So I prefer this one, and then again I go to the next feature, which is facial hair. So I don't have any facial hair, just straight away next. Pick the body shape. So pick which one you like best as your body shape. So for example, I'm choosing this one, and then I just have to press next. And then outfit. So I like to scroll down until the very bottom to see all of my options, and then so go down slowly and then pick which one you like best. So after I have seen all of the outfits, all of the options, I can just pick which one I like best, or which one portrays myself best. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. Then I go to headwear, so if I don't want to use any headwear, and then just lastly accessories. So I'm gonna pick my earring, and since I have a nose ring, I'm gonna pick my nose ring. So once everything is set and you like everything and you don't want to change anything anymore, on the top corner you press done, and your avatar is on process. So now you can use your avatar in comments, and then just go next, and then you can set a temporary profile picture. If I want to set it, I can just press try it, and then I can also just pick, I want to create this as my profile picture, and then loading your avatar, and then I can just select the pose I want as my profile picture. So I'm picking this one, and then I just have to select the background that I want to choose. So for example, I am choosing white, and then I go next, and then I can just press save. So it's only temporary for only an hour, and then I go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching.